If you're already tuned with IE, and you're adding some hardware to go to that next level of performance, you're going to need to retune. With IE, you only ever pay the difference in tune costs to upgrade. Upgrading is very easy and only takes a few minutes. I'm going to show you how.
Plug the IE POWERlink cable into the USB port of your laptop or tablet, and open the IE Flash Wizard software. It'll take just a second to verify your computer's performance. Click on Tune. Make sure you plug in a battery charger. Plug the IE POWERlink cable into the OBD2 port of your vehicle. Turn on the ignition without starting the car. It'll take just a second to verify your car's information. We just installed a downpipe and intercooler in this vehicle, so it's ready to go stage 2. Open the engine section and drop down stage 2. Under stage 2, you're going to see quite a few different files for different octanes. Make sure you choose the correct octane there. It's going to show you do not have enough credits on your cable for stage 2, and that's okay. Go ahead and choose it anyway. Click on Flash, make sure the octane is correct for your engine, and it's going to tell you have an insufficient balance. The difference in cost is all it takes to upgrade your tune. The price difference between stage 1 and stage 2 on this RS3 is $200, so it's only going to require 200 credits. Go ahead and click on Purchase 200 credits, and that's going to load you to our website. From here, you can automatically check out, and it's already added the correct amount of credits to your cart, so put in your payment information and check out. Once you've checked out, go ahead and reopen the Flash Wizard software and work your way back to the Stage 2 menu. Choose the correct octane, hit Flash, verify the requirements, and now you can use the credits to purchase the tune. Once you confirm the purchase, it will automatically start flashing your vehicle. It's normal for a couple of lights to go off during the flashing process, such as ABS. Don't worry, this will end once it's done. Turn off the ignition. And turn the ignition back on. And your file is now loaded. If you have any other tunes you're going to need to load, such as a DSG tune to match your new Stage 2, you will need to go ahead and purchase those credits and flash that tune. Before doing so, make sure you close the software, start the car, turn it off, and then reopen the software again. And that's all there is to it.